Hey everyone, what if I told you there is a way to use Shopify completely free for up to 120 days? 4 whole months, even though Shopify no longer advertise this deal on their website. In this video, I will show you the latest working methods to unlock the extended free trial, step by step using simple trick the most people don't know about it. So let's get started without spending a single rupee or dollar. So why this is important and use cases. Whether you are just exploring the e-commerce space, building your first dropshipping business, or testing a product idea, getting a few extra months free gives you more time to build, test, and launch with zero risk. And since Shopify has officially removed the old 120 days trial offer from their homepage, this updated method is your best bet to still get that advantage. Now, first of all, you have to come on this Shopify website where you will get bring your the 3 months in 20 rupees, which is I think good. But if I don't want to spend 20 rupees as well, then what I have to do, just simply sign up, start with this free trial. So now over here you have to customize with your needs, give all the related answer which they may ask. So start your free trial. I have added is regularly. I will use this regular thing. Okay. So as you can see here, I got I think 3 days free trial, free for 3 days. But when you sign up, most user get 90 days free trial. That's already a big upgrade from the usual 14 days or 13 days offer. But in my case, because I have already taken that advantage, that that is not showing in my website. But if you are a new, you can get 90 days free trial. But we are not stopping at 19, so it will let's take to full 120 days. Just I will skip and I will do later. So if you have 20 rupees, you can just simply go for the 33 months trial, just giving by 20 rupees. 20 rupees is nothing. You can do that. After creating your account and logging into your dashboard, head over to the Shopify help center, uh, click on the my store, and in the right side you will get to see this help center, and click over here. Now there you can open a support ticket or chat or request a 30 days extension on your current trial. You can say something like this, which I have created this one. Hey there, I am building my Shopify store and was hoping to get a bit more time to try things out. Would you mind to extend my trial by 30 days? So you have to just ask that. If you want help writing this message, I have included a customizable template in the video. You can use that too. Uh, that while some users have a success requesting the extension immediately, you are more likely to get approved if you wait until the final week of your original trial. This shows Shopify that you have actually spent time setting up things and you are serious about launching. So maximal your chance is use the special link to get initial 90 days, build your store. In the end of the final week, ask for 30 days of extension uh, of that trial. This method has worked for many people and it could work for you as well. So here what we have covered: use the updated link below to the get best Shopify filled free trial up to 90 days upfront, create, store, and export all the feature risk free, request a 30 days extension from Shopify store, and potentially enjoy up to 120 days free on one of the most powerful e-commerce platform. So so this was a trick. I will keep the link updated, so no matter when you are watching the video, you will have access to best available trial. If this video helped you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.